How to reset your survivor.io account. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can reset or start a game from scratch into your survivor.io account. So first, all you have to do is, of course, open up the application and make sure that you're currently on the account where you would like it to be resetted. So if you scroll every part of these options right here, you won't be able to find it immediately. What you want to have to do is to tap on just three lines right here and then choose on settings. Now from settings, just simply switch from general into account. Or from account, just simply choose on feedback. And then on feedback, choose on save issues. And then next is just simply choose on I want to start a new game. And from here, you will be given out an instruction for you to be able to um, head directly into the Contact Us tab for you to fully or completely reset your account. And that's it. That is how you reset your Survivor.io account.